I'm Matt Bishar with NAREIT.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2016, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Glenn Rufrano, CEO of VEREIT. Glenn, thanks so much for joining us.
Well, thanks for having me, Matt.
Now, in May, your company doubled the size of its initial bond offering to $1 billion. Were you expecting such a positive market reaction, and what does that mean for the company's future?
We weren't, but we're happy for it. We started out at $500 million, expecting that we'd have demand for that. We found in over 2.5 days the demand, actually we had $5.5 billion of demand for our bonds, so we increased it to $1 billion at very good interest rates, and satisfied our bondholders and certainly satisfied ourselves that we had access to the capital markets.
Great. And how would you describe the progress that your company's made moving toward investment grade metrics?
We've had a lot of progress, and progress can be defined by numbers. We have reduced debt by $2.6 billion. Our revolving line of credit, which was almost fully drawn at $2.2 billion, is now virtually undrawn. Our investment grade metrics, whether it's net debt to EBITDA or fixed rate coverage charge, have moved nicely into investment areas, and so we feel very good that our movement's great. We have a little more to go, but we're pleased with our progress.
And your company's been active in terms of disposing of assets to refine your portfolio. How's that process going, and has it become more challenging in this current market to dispose of assets?
The disposition process was based upon a concept of how we want the portfolio to look long term. Those assets have been on the market. We started out thinking we would sell $1.8 billion to $2.2 billion by the end of 2016. We've already sold $1.7 billion by the end of the first quarter, so we're doing very well in terms of the progress. Our average cap rates are about 6.8%, which is very good. So we're selling at good prices. Going forward this year, we don't see a lot of headwinds. I mean, we worry about interest rates just like everybody else, but there's plenty of equity capital out there, so we feel pretty good.
Glenn, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
For more from REITweek 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.